everybody. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. One more time. Okay. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I'm having a blessed day today. And I want everyone, in order to have a blessed one also. So I'm coming to you and from Scripture, Proverbs 2 and 6. Okay. The Lord grants wisdom from his mouth, knowledge and understanding. Proverbs 2 and 6. I'm getting ready now. I'm going to do, I have a small roast, and I'm getting ready to stuff the roast. I've already have it in the browning area. I needed to have some roping to do it with, but I'm going to try to do it with the little sticks. We'll be putting in potatoes, which I'm sauteing right now, sauteing the carrots and potatoes. And I'm going to put them, I've already split the roast. It's just a small one. And I'm going to be taking it out now. And I'm going to let you see, I have it in the skillet. And it's brown. I have it browning. So, this is the opening part of it here. And into this side here, I will be putting in my potatoes and onions and onions, potatoes, and carrots, okay? And then I will be putting in the little sticks to keep it together. Because it's supposed to be rope, but I had some roping, but I cannot find it. So I'm going to be using these sticks that I have right now and hoping that it will work and keep them in there. But these are corn sticks, but I will be putting them in also in the roast after I get it in right here. So I'm going to be cutting this one off so I can get this in, for you all. So I'm going to go get the potatoes off the stove here, so I can put them inside of a little small roast, and I'm going to see how it's going to work out for me. Because really, you're supposed to put it in with the roping and the little wire chains. I don't have it though, but sometimes we have to use what we have, and so I didn't go back out to get them, and this is what I had planned on fixing. So I'm going to bring this over, and I'm going to get ready to place them in. So I'm going to be forking them in. So I may have to put all that I can't get into the roast. I'll put them around the roast, okay? So I'm going to try to get as many in this. Like I said, it's a small roast. It's not a large one. So my opening is here. And I have the opening right here. So I'm going to try to see, can I plug the sticks in before I put everything else in, and hopefully that it holds together so for me while I'm doing this, okay? All right. These are a little heavier duty sticks that I'm going to be. This is just a small round roast that I'm working with.
Oh, church, y'all.
Good. Are they men on TV again?
Okay. All right, I'm going to put the rest of it around the roast in the pan. So, and then okay, so now I'm putting a little bit of a beef broth in. I'm going to start it off with my gravy also. Just going to pour some in there. So when it comes out,
sauteed the potatoes and the carrots to get them started, y'all.
And this is with my beef broth. Okay? So when it comes out, I'm going to leave it just like this. And I'm going to let it cook for about 1 hour. Some more seasoning around on the potatoes and the extra stuff that I'm putting in. Okay, so this is very good, you guys. So I want you to know that. And it should be very tasty. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be tasty. It's gonna be hot. The pepper. Oh my God, all the pepper fell off in it. So that'll be okay though. So I'll just think we'll work it out like this with more juice on it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven now. And I'll put it at 350. And this is a 3-pound little round top roast, and it should take about an hour at 350 because I don't want to cook it too fast. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, this is the final touches. I was doing a round roast, but I was stuffing it with the potatoes and carrots and onions. That's what I was stuffing it with. So I've just covered it with a little bit of parsley, and I'm going to slice me a little piece off. It's still juicy and still good.
I just heard.
It's very good. I know it is. So let me cut me a little piece off. So I know this is awfully fat. I'm not going to eat the fat on it, but
Hello, people.
I guess. Get y'all on plate. Get it. Had a wonderful cake. I ain't. No, you give me a spoon over there, please. So I can put a little gravy on top of mine. Oh, here. Okay, thank you. All right. All right, I'm putting a little bit of gravy on top of mine.
It's some good gravy. I can't eat the meat because I don't eat a beef, but I'm eating me a
Piece in there?
carrot and potato and gravy sandwich.
So you don't want no bread on yours?
She don't want no bread.
You don't want no bread?
It's melly.
I don't know why y'all eating it with bread. Like, I don't even know why y'all doing that. That's not how you supposed to eat it.
It's good with the gravy and the bread. Ain't it, Malachi?
It really ain't.
And kind of like a roast beef sandwich.
Okay. Let them see her piece right there. So, does she want potatoes and stuff with it?
No.
She said no. She said she want meat.
Okay, no.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so.
Hold on.
Michael, he didn't want to taste it?
I taste some more.
Good.
Okay.
They're hot.
I'm trying to cut it on the right grain.
Hey, ain't nobody told me it was hot.
No one can say this is theirs. This has been sitting there for a whole week.
Oh, yeah.
And I said it was
So
hot.
no one can say.
Yeah, she accidentally wasted more pepper in it.
So if someone
Cause tell me,
say,
you should
that's
want me
mine, it's not
You know-
yours.
You don't eat
That
spicy
been
like that,
sitting there
yeah?
for a whole week.
It's still good though. I still eat it.
I'm cutting a whole lot of ways. So my final touches is I did a round stuffed roast with carrots, potatoes, and onions inside. I split it right down the side. The little corn sticks that I had stuck in it together to hold the potatoes and the carrots in there. So I took them out as I took it out. So please, you all, it's very good. And it is so good. And I know I don't need the fat on it, so I have to cut it out, but it's sure. There was time I used to eat this fat, but I won't
good.
eat it anymore, so.
It's busting.
You busting?
But it is so good. And the gravy on it is very good.
It's tender.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put this paper towel. But it is so good. Very tender. And very juicy. I want you all to try stuffing your little roast with the potatoes and split it right. Split it right down the middle, and I let it brown a little bit, and then I put the potatoes and carrots and onions inside, and I put it in the oven.
Like, comment, subscribe, hit the monkey.
Bye.
Thank you so much. This is a very good stuffed roast from Miss Lena's Kitchen. It's a round stuffed roast. It was about 3 pounds, that's all. With carrots, potatoes, and onions in it. So I thank you so much. With all my love. From Miss Lena's Kitchen. Stuffed round roast. A small stuffed round roast. With stuffed and baked in the oven. Thank you so much.